This is Lida from Hypnotech. Last year, you may have remembered that we took a look at the Sharp Aquos S2. Today, we are taking a look at its sequel, the S3. Let's unbox this. This year's S3 has a 6-inch screen, 1080p, 13 megapixel camera, 6 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 630, and a 3200 milliamp hour battery. There might be some struggles here. Oh. Okay, there we go. And I always have trouble with these kinds of boxes. Almost there. It's gonna be half of the unboxing video right here is me trying to open the box. Got it. Ooh, okay. So here we have in our handy dandy sleeve the phone. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna set this to the side and we can come back to it later. Let's check out what's in the rest of the box. And looks like in here we have, ooh, nice case and our user manual right here. Nice matte black going on. To the side we have our handy dandy charging brick, our USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's put this to the side. Looks like we've also got some headphones. Yep, there we are. Very nice, very nice. And in here we have, looks like our adapter. Yep, our little adapter cable. So here we have the S3 in its full glory. It's got a good weight to it and it feels really sturdy in the hand. At the top here we can see that the notch is just a little bit longer, actually quite a lot longer than last year's S2. We've also got about 5% more screen to body ratio going on, and it's really nice at first glance. The bezel-less design, except for the bottom right here where they have the Sharp logo, is really pretty. On the side right here we have the SIM tray, simple enough. On the back we've got a dual camera and fingerprint scanner, which I believe the S2 had the fingerprint scanner on the front at the bottom, so this is a little different. It's nice so far, definitely fingerprinty, but really nice. And then on this side we've got the volume rocker and the power button. On the top here we've got nothing. And on the bottom here, okay, I thought that they had provided us the headphones with the headphone jack, but apparently not. You'll have to use the adapter that they provided. They should have just given us USB-C headphones, if that's the case. And bottom firing speakers, as you guys can see right here. All right, let's take a look and see what it looks like turned on. So here are my first impressions so far. I've personally never used Smile UX, and you can tell off the bat that it's not stock Android, but it definitely has a lot of customization features that I could get used to. You can make it look like an iPhone if you want. You can make it as stock as you want. You can put a launcher on there too. But it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. It seems pretty fast, pretty smooth so far. Camera's quick, no app drawer, but I guess that's something I could get used to. This year's S3 has a little bit of a longer top notch right here due to the Face ID. I went ahead and I just added my face in and it's very snappy so far. Let me show you guys. It's off, turning it towards me, and there it is. Super fast. I'm really impressed with it. And it really only took a few seconds to set up too. So definitely one of the features that I'm impressed with off the bat with the S3. Compared to last year's model, this year's S3 has a really, really nice premium feel to it. You can definitely tell that they put a lot more effort into making the build quality even better than last year's model. There's some accents on the side and the fingerprint scanner right here that really added a nice finishing touch to the phone. And I really like the way it feels in my hand. It's sturdy, but not too heavy. One thing though is on the back, we have the same bulge that we had on the S2 that little camera notch right there. So I should be careful, and hopefully I don't drop this phone in the next couple weeks while I'm reviewing it. Overall, the phone feels really premium in my hand, especially compared to the S2. And for less than $400, I'm liking it so far. I'm going to take a little bit more time and release a full review of this phone in a couple weeks. Get used to it, get my feet wet. But in the meantime, if you want to check out some of our other videos featuring the Snapdragon 630, be sure to take a look. We are including it either the top, bottom, somewhere. Be sure to watch them. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button below so that you don't miss a single video in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!